Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into the top-selling drying and print racks products on Amazon. These items have taken the market by storm, and we're here to reveal why they stand out from the rest. So, without further ado, let's get started on our exciting countdown of the best-selling drying and print racks on Amazon. Stay tuned for a comprehensive look at each product, including its standout features and what makes it a customer favorite. Let's go! Next up, at number 5 on our list of best-selling drying and print racks on Amazon, we have the *** Art Storage Rack, Art Drying Rack, Wood Storage Sum.
And now, let's dive into our fourth top pick in the world of drying and print racks, the Art Drying Rack by Joymany. Picture this: a bustling classroom, a vibrant art studio, or even a cozy craft room. What's missing? A reliable, efficient way to store those budding masterpieces without a hitch. Enter the Joymany Art Drying Rack. This marvel of design features 10 removable shelves, offering a veritable cornucopia of space for every painting, poster, or papier-mâché sculpture. No more worrying about artwork sticking together or getting damaged. With this rack, drying art has never been more straightforward. But wait, there's more. Setting up the Joymany Art Rack is an absolute breeze. In fact, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. No need for any additional tools or complicated instructions. Just join the top and bottom frames, slot in the racks, and voila! You're ready to embark on any artistic adventure. Now let's talk about space. Don't let its compact size fool you. Measuring just 12.5 inches deep, 12 inches wide, and 18 inches high, this clever space saver packs a punch with its 10 adjustable shelves. Imagine storing a museum's worth of priceless works of art without sacrificing an inch of your precious space. It's ingenious, isn't it? This drying rack isn't just a tool, it's a classroom essential. Perfect for schools, preschools, art clubs, and homeschooling environments. The sturdy wire racks are designed to hold weights up to 4 pounds, making them ideal for heavier projects like ceramics and papier-mâché. It's the ultimate companion for any creative space. And the best part? It's built to last. Crafted from top-quality 1-inch square framing, this rack promises years of reliable service. Whether you're moving it around or keeping it firmly in place, the rubber pads ensure your worktops stay protected. Its versatility and durability rolled into one fantastic product. So, if you're looking to elevate your art organization game, the Joymany Art Drying Rack is your go-to solution. Transform your creative space today and enjoy the seamless blend of functionality and style that only Joymany can deliver.
Next on our list, coming in at number 3, is the Creative Mark Medium Canvas Art Print Rack. This isn't just any display rack, it's an artist's dream come true. Imagine walking into an art gallery or a bustling art show. And there it is, sleek, professional, and ready to showcase your masterpieces. The Creative Mark Print Rack is perfect for selling or displaying paintings, prints, photos, portfolios, posters, panels, you name it. With a capacity to hold artwork up to 20 by 24 inches, it's versatile and accommodating. Now let's talk about portability. This print rack boasts a durable yet lightweight 1-inch thick aluminum body, making it a breeze to carry from one event to another. It folds down effortlessly, ensuring you can transport it without hassle. The rugged black canvas basin isn't just strong, it's professional looking, adding a touch of elegance to any setting. Stability is key, and the Creative Mark Print Rack delivers with its rubber feet, ensuring your floors stay pristine. No scuffs, no scratches. It's medium-sized, standing 39 inches high, 21.5 inches deep, and 24 inches long. Yet when folded, it's compact enough to fit into tight storage spaces. At just 9 pounds, it's as lightweight as it is sturdy. Some assembly is required, but don't fret. There's a handy video guide on the detail page to walk you through every step. And remember, customer satisfaction is a priority. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, simply contact the seller for assistance. So, whether you're an artist displaying your work, a gallery setting up a show, or a studio organizing a collection, the Creative Mark Medium Canvas Art Print Rack is your ultimate companion. Durable, portable, and professional. It's everything you need to make your art stand out. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling drying and print racks on Amazon? Well, don't let your art supplies dry out. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the frame for more amazing art product updates. Number 2 on our list is a game changer for any creative space, the art drying rack for classroom buy. This innovative wall-mounted design is not just functional, it's a masterpiece in itself, saving space while keeping your art projects pristine and organized. Imagine this. You've just completed a beautiful painting or a detailed sketch. Where do you put it to dry? With this art drying rack, simply hang it on the wall and let your artwork dry quickly and safely. No more clutter, no more chaos, just pure, organized creativity. This compact marvel boasts 8 tiers of shelves, each measuring 15.55 inches in length and 11.42 inches in width, with a 1.18-inch space between each tier. The total height? A mere 7.87 inches, making it the perfect fit for any art space. Need more room? No problem. Each of the 8 shelves is removable, allowing you to customize your storage as needed. Whether you're storing art paper or drying fresh masterpieces, this rack adapts to your needs with ease. Ideal for daycare centers, art classrooms, and studios, this drying rack ensures your paintings, drawings, and other projects stay neat and organized, free from dirt and wrinkles. The sturdy iron construction, complete with welded joints, guarantees durability and longevity. Plus, assembly is a breeze. Each unit comes with clear instructions and expansion screws, so you'll have it up and ready in minutes. So if you're looking to elevate your art organization game, the art drying rack for classroom is your perfect solution. Embrace the blend of functionality, durability, and style, and transform your creative space into a haven of order and inspiration. And now, for the grand finale, our number 1 pick in the best-selling drying and print racks on Amazon, the Art Storage Rack Buy. This is not just a rack. It's the pinnacle of art storage solutions, combining elegance, functionality, and mobility in one exceptional product. Crafted from beautiful beechwood and coated with a furniture-grade varnish, this storage rack isn't just sturdy, it's a piece of art in itself. The elegant wood grain adds a touch of sophistication to any setting, making it perfect for studios, home studios, galleries, and even museums. One of its standout features is the ease of mobility. Equipped with a comfortable handle and 4 caster wheels with lock functions, this rack can glide effortlessly across your workspace and lock firmly in place when needed. Whether you're rearranging your studio or showcasing your work in a gallery, moving your canvas storage has never been more convenient. The Art Storage Rack provides the perfect home for your artworks. With a design that accommodates most canvas sizes, ranging from 15 inches to a maximum of 40 inches, it ensures your masterpieces are stored safely and elegantly. Need more space? When used together, 2 racks can store canvases up to 75 inches in length, making it incredibly versatile. This rack is more than just a canvas holder. It's a versatile storage solution for canvas boards, panels, frames, drawing boards, printed matter, paper pads, backing plates, and other sheet items. Whatever your artistic needs, this rack has you covered. So, why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? The Art Storage Rack Buy is your ultimate art storage solution, combining beauty, practicality, and ease of use. Transform your creative space into a sanctuary of order and elegance, and let your art shine with the storage it deserves. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling drying and print racks on Amazon. To keep up with all the top-rated products, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.